This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can reconnect to another Wi-Fi network on this smartwatch. So if you would like to change the Wi-Fi network your device, your Pixel Watch is currently connected to, you will first need to launch settings through either the app view or control panel. Then enter the connectivity category, select Wi-Fi. Here, tap at the Add Network option, then scroll down, look through the list of available Wi-Fi networks and find whatever network you would like to reconnect your watch to. I'll go with this one, for example, then tap on it, and now you can input the network's password through either phone or smartwatch. That's what it will look like on a smartwatch, not very convenient if you ask me. And if you will press the Enter on Phone option, it will launch this prompt on whatever device your smartwatch is paired with, so you can conveniently use this big and convenient keyboard to input the Wi-Fi network password. Then simply click Connect, and as you can see, everything happens. Or everything gets connected successfully, should I rather say. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.